And Dan.
And it's us versus everybody.
If you like this video, put the big like.
Click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified of all of our videos.
And remember that we aim to be the first YouTubers to have more than 5
billion subscribers. And do you remember last week where we planted tomatoes in the pot that had everything ready in it? Well, this is how the plants grew. And in here there are 11 plants, and maybe in the future some more plants will grow because there were lots of seeds. And as we said in the last video, today we are going to plant tomatoes the traditional method. So to put the seeds by hand and to put the soil by hand. So first of all, let's start by the seeds. We are going to start with planting these seeds first. And then we are going to plant radishes.
Which one should we start?
Tomatoes.
Okay.
And lettuce. So first of all, we need to pour the soil in. So
be careful so you don't put too much in it.
yes.
So it won't spill. Yeah.
By the way, if you're interested in any of these products, you can find links in the description below, and also the video from last week. That is enough for now, and if we need more, we'll put it. However, first of all, we need to
seal up your sleeves.
we need to put more. Dan, can you roll up my sleeves? Now my hands are super dirty.
Hello.
Okay. That must be enough.
Yeah. Enough.
Of course, if we need more, we'll put it.
I don't think so. There.
Yes. A little bit more. Dan, roll up your sleeves. Okay, that will be enough. Okay, so Dan, what we have to do is we need to put equal soil at every side. We need more soil here. Oh, there's a rock.
Where did that come from? I think we need a little bit more.
Yeah, a tiny bit. Dan, leave your hand. Okay, that's it. No, we need to put it over this side because this side it has less. So now we need to start with the seeds. So we will start with these ones. And here is the socket. So
Be careful not to spill them all.
There's nothing in here.
Give them to me.
Okay, let's put them here. Okay. So, what we're going to do now is we put this sign here, so we know that that is where we planted them. And so, let's plant one here, one here. Dan, do you want to plant some of the seeds?
Yeah.
Okay. You plant those last three. Put them. Oh, those last two.
That's the last one. Oh, no.
Don't lose them.
Okay, got them.
Okay.
Oh,
Now
no.
put them not too close to each other. So put one in the middle like that. No. One here. I think it's here.
I did that one.
Okay, and the other one there. Yes. No. Put it there.
Why did you put it there?
Yes, but it's you accidentally put it here.
No, I didn't. I didn't put it down. Okay, just leave it.
So now we know. Wait, let's put it here so we know that that is the last one. Now we need to put some more soil in. Wait, let's all plant the seeds and then we put the soil. So now we will plant.
Which one? 1, 2, 3.
I'd say that we plant the radishes and we'll plant them in the middle. Oh my god, there are so many. Oh my.
Oh my.
Let's
Some more.
put them here. If there are this many, it should be for a reason. So let's put them here.
I got them. Where? Where?
Oh no, getting mixed up. Yeah. Put them there. And
More?
some more here.
Where?
Here.
How many? Here.
Here. Wait, Dan, I think this is enough because I know that they're not all going to grow. However, they are a lot. So now we will open the lettuce because then here we are going to plant the other tomatoes.
Yeah.
So let's see. Oh my
what's
god.
it?
These are so tiny.
Oh well.
And we will put them here.
Ah.
Then get them. Need to plant them here.
Some are going away. No, you want this bag.
Dan, you need to put them in here though.
Yeah, no.
So put them around here and then over here. Okay, Dan, put them here somewhere. Yes. Put them all.
That more. This bit more.
I say we put some more of these around here. Okay. And now we can move on to the last type of tomatoes, which is this one. So
Are they
let's
going to
open.
be
I think they will be bigger. However, they could also be smaller.
I hope not smaller. You need help?
No, I can do it. There's Mola.
Ah, man. I'm getting them with my finger.
Don't destroy them.
No, I'm just getting them.
Okay, so let's plant them here. Did you put one?
You put one with the lettuce. Oh.
Okay, we just need around 3 or 5 more, and let's
One,
not put them.
2, 3,
Okay,
4,
give them.
3.
I got only one.
Oh.
And also, everybody, if you like these types of videos, be sure to write your opinion in the comments below and click subscribe. And okay, that's it. We're only going to plant one more, which is here. Wait, I'd say to plant one more. Okay. And we spread these out a bit. Okay, now, what we need... Wait. I'd say we take this out for a second. And first, we put the more soil in. So,
Oh no. I'm more soil.
oh no, the rock. Take the rock away, Dan. No, take it away.
No.
Take the rocks away.
And that. And those are sticks.
Oh, leave the sticks. However, put the rocks back in. And Dan, can you move a second? You need to put more soil here. Okay, that's it.
Maybe that's too long.
No. Now, what we have to do...
A rock. Take it.
is we do this.
So
So then... Okay, Dan, where are the rocks?
rocks, 1 and 1 stick. Don't you like a fight?
Okay.
No. Okay. Ah.
Okay, so now that we have planted them, of course, wait, let's put this here. And now every plant needs water, so
Can
we
I
will
put
water
some?
them. Yes, I'm going to water here. And you water that end, okay?
I think it's too much.
No, it's fine. Plants need water to grow. Wait, a tiny bit more there. No, there.
There.
Yeah, that's it. However, that is not very much, so we'll water a tiny bit more.
Can I water a tiny bit more too? Me too.
No.
Oh.
Wait,
Hey, can I water this bit?
it's already watered.
Oh.
Oh no,
More.
the seeds have come up.
Ah, man.
So we need to put more soil. However, we watered it once.
No, we watered it twice. What? No, what?
So,
Okay.
and Dan, remember that we need to put soil everywhere. Here as well. Okay, so there, yes.
How can I water it?
No, we watered them. We don't need to water them anymore now. And now,
But this part is dry. It's dry.
yes, it needs to be dry. Here, because we watered it before. So, everybody, now that we have planted the seeds, we just need to wait for them to grow. No, you destroyed it.
I'll play cat.
No, you're going to destroy it. Okay, Dan almost destroyed the plant. However, see you next week.